Hello, this is lecture 40, first BSc, first sem maths, unit 3. Problems on indeterminate forms from Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So let us see the problem 2, as problem 1 was completed in lecture 39. So now problem 2. In the 2, let us see the problem 1. Evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x to the power of cos x to the power of cos x. So solution, given limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x to the power of cos x is equal to, it is 0 to the power of 0 form, 0 to the power of 0 form. So that take log, or otherwise before that let u is equal to the function cos x to the power of cos x. Now take log on both sides, take log on both sides. So all these are of the form 0 power 0 or infinity power of 0 or maybe 1 power infinity. This type of problems have to take let u is equal to as given function and log on both sides, so that it will be log u is equal to cos x into log cos x. So limit on both sides, limit x tends to pi by 2 log u is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x into log of cos x. So now it is of 0 into infinity form, because cos pi by 2 is 0, log 0 is infinity. As it is 0 into infinity form, that infinity is to be kept as usual, 0 form can be taken to denominator. So that limit x tends to pi by 2 log cos x divided by 1 by cos x. Limit x tends to pi by 2 log cos x divided by 1 by cos x. Keep infinity form in the numerator and 0 form take to the denominator. So 0 into infinity we have is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. So it is of infinity by infinity form. Infinity by infinity form. So the L'Hospital, apply L'Hospital. So log cos x is 1 by cos x into minus sin x divided by, this is 1 by cos x means secant x, as 1 by cos x is secant x and its differentiation is secant x tan x, since is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus tan x divided by secant x into tan x. So tan x will be cancelled. Again secant pi by 2 is infinity, as cos 0 is 1, secant 0 is 1 by 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, secant pi by 2 is 1 by 0 is infinity. It is minus 1 by infinity is equal to minus 0 or 0. minus 0 or 0. So even left side is log of the limit is same as limit of the log. So that log limit log u, that is the limits left side is, we have it is log of the limit. Log of the limit is limit of the log. Limit x tends to pi by 2 log u is equal to 0. This implies limit of the log is log of the limit. So that log take outside, limit x tends to pi by 2, and u function is cos x to the power of cos x is equal to 0. This implies limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x to the power of cos x is equal to e power 0 is equal to 1. So the limit value is 1. So all will be as given function is to be u. Suppose if they are in the indeterminate form 0 power 0, infinity power of 0, or 1 power infinity. So take the given function as u and take log on both sides and then simplify. That may be directly sometimes 0 by 0, or if 0 into infinity, again reduce to the 0 by 0 form, or maybe infinity by infinity form, apply the L'Hospital. Right, second problem into evaluate problem, that is first problem into is given in 2017 problem. Now the second problem into evaluate limit x tends to 1 x to the power of 1 by 1 minus x, x to the power of 1 by 1 minus x. Right, this is the problem, and this problem is in 2015 they are given, 2015 problem. So let us see that the solution given limit x tends to 1 x to the power of 1 by 1 minus x, it is of 1 to the power of infinity form. So this is equal to, let u is equal to x to the power of 1 by 1 minus x. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Log u is equal to 1 by 1 minus x log x. So limit on both sides, limit x tends to 1, log u is equal to limit x tends to 1 log x by 1 minus x. So put x is equal to 1, this is 0 by 0 form. L'Hospital, apply the L'Hospital. This is equal to limit x tends to 1 by x divided by minus 1. Put x is equal to 1, that value will be, the total is minus 1. Even the left side is log limit x tends to 1 u. This implies limit x tends to 1 u is x to the power of 1 by 1 minus x is equal to e power minus 1 is equal to 1 by e. So the limit of that function is 1 by e. Is in 2015 problem it is. Right. Third problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x. Right, solution. Given limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x. It is equal to 1 to the power of infinity form, because limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x also possible to write. Anyhow, so that as it is 1 to the power of infinity form, let u is equal to sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x. So take log on both sides. Log u is equal to 1 by x into log of sin x by x. Take limit on both sides. Limit x tends to 0, log u is equal to limit x tends to 0, log sin x by x whole divided by x. See that as x tends to 0, log of the limit is limit of the log, so that this is sin x by x is 1, so log 1 is 0, divide by 0. It is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form is equal to now take this 0 by 0 form, apply L'Hospital, so that this will be is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by sin x by x into sin x by x can differentiate u by method. U by v method, it is x cos x minus 1 by x into cos x whole divided by 1. Whole divided by 1. This is equal to limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. So this is 1 by sin x by x, and this value is to be LCM. If we take x square cos x minus cos x, x square cos x minus cos x is equal to limit x tends to 0, this value is 1 into, again it is cos 0 is 1, this is 0, 0 minus 1 by 0. Here we did a little bit change, because it is sin x by x can differentiate. So x into sin x differentiation is cos x minus, so sin x is constant, x differentiation is 1. It is like that. Whole divided by directly also. X square I will take. This is LCM. LCM is x square. This is 1. So x cos x minus sin x divided by x square whole divided by 1. Denominator differentiation is 1. So u by v method differentiation. So that this value is to be x cos x minus sin x divided by x square. Now this value is 1, as limit can be applied. Now it will be 0 minus 0 form. As 0 minus 0 form, apply L'Hospital rule. 0 by 0 form, L'Hospital. So that it will be again UV method. UV method is This is x only. There is no need of, because denominator is x. So that x into minus sin x plus cos x, these two terms, this is minus cos x whole divided by 2x is equal to, limit x tends to 0, this is minus x sin x divided by 2x is equal to, this value is to be 0, that is 0 into 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This implies limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, it is, the total is, I will simplify, it is log u is equal to 0, implies limit x tends to 0, log u is sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x is equal to 0. So limit of the log is log of the limit, so that log limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole to the power of 1 by x is equal to 0. This implies limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole power 1 by x is equal to e power 0 is equal to 1. Right. Fourth problem. Evaluate limit x tends to a 2 minus x by a whole to the power of tan pi x by 2a. So this is the problem in 2016 problem. Right. Solution. Given limit x tends to a 2 minus x by a whole to the power of tan pi x by 2a. So when x is equal to a, this is 1 to the power of, here is also a by a will be cancelled, tan pi by 2 is infinity. So it is of 1 to the power of infinity form. Let u is equal to 2 minus x by a whole to the power of tan pi x by 2a. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Log u is equal to 2 minus, that is log. The total we will take log means tan pi x by 2a into 2 minus x by a. 2 minus x by a. So take the limit on both sides as x tends to a. Limit x tends to a log u is equal to limit x tends to a tan pi x by 2a into 2 minus x by a. Now whenever x is equal to a, this value will be 1 by a, it is 1, and this is to be, this is log, this is limit x tends to a tan pi x by 2a into log 2 minus x by a. So this is equal to limit x tends to a. So take a is applied, this is infinity, and this will be as x tends to a by a is cancel 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, it is to be 0. So here as limit x tends to a, this is infinity into 0, infinity into 0. Generally 0 into infinity we have, or otherwise infinity into 0. So whenever infinity into 0, take the first function is to be to denominator. So that log 2 minus x by a whole divided by cot, this is 1 by tan pi x by 2e. 1 by tan pi x by 2a is equal to limit x tends to a log 2 minus x by a divided by cot pi x by 2a. Suppose x is equal to a here, log 1 is 0. Even x is equal to 2, here cot pi by 2 is 0. So that it is 0 by 0 form. Next is equal to apply L'Hospital. L'Hospital as applying limit x tends to a 1 by 2 minus x by a into, again x by a can differentiate, it is minus 1 by a whole divided by cot differentiation is minus cosecant square pi x by 2a into, again pi x by 2a can differentiate, it is pi by 2a. So that minus minus also will be cancelled. This is a, 1a is to be cancelled, minus cancel. Suppose x is equal to a, it is 1. Numerator is 1. Or is equal to, you take one more step for your convenience, it is 1 by 1 by it is 2 minus x by a into 2 by pi into sine square pi x by 2e. So this is equal to, apply the a value, it is 1 into 2 by pi. Again x is equal to a means a cancel, sine square pi by 2 is 1. Is equal to, or implies log of the limit is limit of the log, so that log limit x tends to a u is equal to 2 by pi. This implies limit x tends to a u is 2 minus x by a whole to the power of tan pi x by 2a is equal to e power 2 by pi. Right, a little bit lengthy, this is the option. So thank you very much.